In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a virtual background in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple way to keep your space looking professional, maintain privacy, or add a touch of personality to your calls without showing what's behind you. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and signing in. You can use the desktop app or your web browser. Both work well. If possible, make sure your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Next, join or start a meeting. You can enter a scheduled meeting from your calendar or click Meet Now to start an instant one. Either way, you'll land on the pre-join screen, where you adjust your camera and microphone before entering. On this pre-join screen, look for background filters or background effects and click it. That opens a panel with your options. You'll see a selection of built-in backgrounds provided by Teams. Click any option to preview how it will look with your video. Nothing goes live until you actually join, so feel free to try a few. Choose something clean and not too busy. Neutral tones often work best and help keep the focus on you. If you want to use your own image, click Add New. Select a photo from your computer, and Teams will apply it as your virtual background. For best results, use a landscape image with good lighting and a resolution close to your camera's output. 1920 by 1080 is a solid choice. Avoid text-heavy designs or overly bright images that can distract viewers. Also, make sure the image doesn't contain any sensitive or personal information. Once you're happy with the background, click Join Now. You'll enter the meeting with your virtual background already enabled. Good lighting on your face and a bit of contrast from your background help the effect look cleaner. So try to sit facing a light source if you can. If you want to change your background during the meeting, no problem. Click More Actions, the three dots on the meeting toolbar, then select Background Effects. Pick a different background or upload another image, and it will apply immediately without leaving the call. You might notice a brief adjustment as it switches, which is normal. And that's it. You've successfully added a virtual background in Microsoft Teams. It's a quick way to improve privacy, reduce distractions, and keep your meetings looking polished. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Microsoft Teams and Office tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.